reasons I'm personally thrilled with the TJM Pro Locker is the unique air actuator design. It uses a piston-like mechanism to positively engage or disengage the locking ring. One of the biggest advantages of the TJM Pro Locker is the air locking mechanism. There's no seals on a rotating cast housing. There's no seal housing misalignment. There's no oil bypass of the seals that works back up the airline. There's only an air actuating mechanism that positively engages or disengages every time.